Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Emma.
And my name is Ben. Hello, friends. How are you today?
We hope you are feeling good and ready to learn with us.
Today, we are going to talk about something very important: how to stay motivated when learning English.
Yes, motivation means the energy, the reason, the feeling inside that helps you keep going, even when learning is hard.
Exactly. Sometimes when people learn English, they start strong, but later they feel tired, bored, or they think, this is too difficult.
And that is normal. It happens to everyone. But there are many ways to stay motivated.
Today, we will share some tips, some ideas, and we will practice English at the same time.
Okay, let's start with the first tip. Make small goals.
Yes, a goal is something you want to do, but if the goal is too big, you feel tired.
For example, if you say, I want to speak perfect English in 3 months, that is too big. You will feel unhappy when it doesn't happen.
But if you say, this week I will learn 5 new words, that is a small goal. You can do it.
Listeners, repeat after me. This week, I will learn 5 new words.
Very good. Small goals make you happy because you can see your progress. The second tip is practice a little every day.
Yes, even 10 minutes a day is better than 2 hours only one day.
Right. Imagine you want to exercise your body. If you do just a little every day, you will get stronger.
English is the same. Listen, read, or speak just a little every day.
Example, you can listen to one English song or watch a short video or talk to yourself in English.
That's a good idea. I sometimes talk to myself in English when I cook. For example, now I cut the tomato. Now I make pasta.
Yes, I do that too when I clean my room. I pick up the book, I put it on the table.
See? You can practice anywhere.
Another tip is make learning fun.
Yes, if you are always serious, you will feel bored.
Play games, watch movies, sing songs in English.
For example, karaoke in English is very fun.
Or you can watch your favorite TV show with English subtitles.
Subtitles means the words on the screen. You can read and listen at the same time.
Exactly. Listeners, do you like music? Try singing your favorite song in English today.
Yes, music helps memory and you will remember the words.
Another important tip is don't be afraid of mistakes.
Yes, this is very important. Many people feel shy because they think, if I make a mistake, people will laugh.
But mistakes are normal. Mistakes are part of learning.
When a baby learns to walk, they fall many times, but they stand up and try again.
English is the same. You will make mistakes, but every mistake helps you learn.
Repeat after me, friends. Mistakes help me learn.
Again, mistakes help me learn.
Perfect. Another way to stay motivated is find a learning partner.
Yes, learning together is easier. You can practice speaking, you can encourage each other.
Encourage means give support, give positive energy.
For example, if Emma is my partner, I can say, "Good job, Emma. You are doing great."
And I can say, thank you, Ben, you too.
If you don't have a partner, You can join online groups or listen to podcasts like this one.
Yes, you are not alone. Many people in the world are learning English with you.
Another tip is celebrate your progress.
Celebrate means be happy when you achieve something.
For example, if you learn 20 new words, say, "Wow, I did it." Maybe eat cake, maybe smile, maybe tell your friend.
Yes, small celebrations make you feel strong and happy.
Don't only look at what you don't know, look at what you already know.
That is very motivating. Another important idea, connect English with your life.
Yes, learn words and sentences that are useful for you.
For example, if you like cooking, learn English cooking words.
If you like sports, learn sports words.
That way, you feel interested because you are learning what you love.
Example, I love soccer, so I learn words like goal, kick, pass, team.
And I love travel, so I learn words like airport, ticket, passport.
Friends, think, what do you love? Learn those words first. Okay, Ben, let's make a quick practice with our listeners.
Good idea. Listeners, repeat after us. I will make small goals.
I will practice every day.
I will make learning fun.
I will not be afraid of mistakes.
I will find a partner.
I will celebrate progress.
I will learn words I love.
Very good. If you say these sentences often, you will feel motivated.
Wow, we shared many tips today.
Yes, let's review. Make small goals. Practice a little every day. Make learning fun. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Find a partner. Celebrate progress. Connect English with your life.
If you follow these ideas, you will stay motivated.
Remember, learning English is not a race. It's a journey. Step by step, little by little, you will improve.
And we're here to help you on the journey. Friends, thank you so much for listening today.
Yes, we are very happy you joined us.
Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you enjoyed it.
That way, you will not miss the next lesson.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and stay motivated.
You are doing a great job.
See you next time, friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.